Hey everyone, welcome back to our English practice podcast. I'm Sam.
And I'm Sarah. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's episode will help you confidently talk about your daily routine in English from morning to night in a natural and relaxed way.
Yes, after this episode, you'll be able to describe your day clearly, like what you do in the morning, during work or study time, and at night.
So, if you ever feel nervous when someone asks, "What do you usually do every day?" This episode is for you.
And before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, or follow this podcast so you can keep improving your English every day.
All right, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin.
Sam, many learners tell me I understand English, but I can't describe my daily routine easily.
Yes, I hear that too. They say things like, "I know words, but I don't know how to make full sentences."
Exactly. And sometimes they worry about grammar mistakes.
And that's completely normal, really. Speaking about daily routine is actually harder than it looks.
Because you have to connect many small actions. Wake up, brush teeth, go to work, eat, relax.
But don't worry. Today, we'll practice simple sentence patterns you can reuse every day.
Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Take your time. You're doing better than you think.
Let's start with a very useful sentence. I usually wake up at.
For example, I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Simple, clear, and natural.
You can say, the first thing I do is check my phone.
Or, the first thing I do is drink water.
This helps you continue your routine. After that, I take a shower.
Nice. After that, I get ready for work.
Another easy connector, then I make breakfast.
Then I leave the house.
Example, I usually start my day by reading the news.
Or, I usually start my day by making tea.
In the morning, I go for a walk.
In the morning, I check my emails.
During the day, I work on my tasks.
During the day, I study English.
Around noon, I eat lunch.
Around noon, I take a short break.
In the afternoon, I focus on my work.
In the afternoon, I feel a bit tired.
In the evening, I spend time with my family.
In the evening, I go to the gym.
After work, I relax for a while.
After work, I cook dinner.
I usually take a break to drink tea.
I usually take a break to check social media.
Before bed, I read a book.
Before bed, I plan my next day.
At night, I watch a movie.
At night, I talk to my friends online.
This shows effort or habit. I try to sleep early.
I try to exercise every day.
Sometimes I skip breakfast.
Sometimes I work late.
On weekends, I relax more.
On weekends, I visit my relatives.
My routine is simple but productive.
My routine is simple, but it keeps me focused. Now, listen and repeat after us. Ready?
Sentence 1. I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
I normally wake up at 7 in the morning.
Sentence 2. The first thing I do is drink water.
The first thing I do is have a glass of water. Sentence 3. After that, I take a shower.
After that, I quickly take a shower. Sentence 4. In the morning, I check my phone.
In the morning, I look at my messages. Sentence 5. During the day, I work on my tasks.
During the day, I focus on my work.
Sentence 6. In the evening, I relax a little. In the evening, I take some time to relax. Sentence 7. Before bed, I read a book.
Before bed, I usually read for 10 minutes. Great job! Keep repeating. This gets easier with practice.
Sarah, can you tell me about your daily routine?
Sure. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. The first thing I do is drink water.
Nice. What do you do after that?
After that, I take a shower and get ready. Then I make a light breakfast.
Sounds productive. What about during the day?
During the day, I work on my projects and answer emails. Around noon, I take a short lunch break.
And in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I usually feel a bit tired, so I take a short break to relax.
That's realistic. What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I spend time with my family, and sometimes I go for a walk.
That sounds balanced. What about night?
At night, I watch something light, and before bed, I read a few pages of a book.
That's a great routine.
Thanks. My routine is simple, but it keeps me organized.
All right, friends. Today, you practiced how to confidently talk about your daily routine in English.
We learned useful phrases like, I usually wake up at, after that I, in the evening I, and before bed I.
You listened, repeated, and practiced real-life sentences.
And if you stayed till the end, we're really proud of you. You're building real speaking confidence step by step.
Remember, fluency doesn't come from perfection. It comes from daily practice.
Take your time, speak slowly, and trust your progress.
Now, tell us, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
Write one sentence in the comments using today's phrase. We'll read it.